Assalamualaikum, Junior 2 students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. I am your computer science teacher, Miss Rabia, from the platform of Sadkan Grammar School.
Now open your book, click start to. Today we are going to learn about how to create a new picture in Paint, how to save a picture in Paint, how to open a saved picture in Paint, and how to close Paint application on page number 55 till 58. Before start our new topics, have a look on previous lesson. In previous class, we have covered these topics, brushes and shapes from page number 51 till 55. Now start our today's lesson, how to create a new picture in Paint. To create a new picture in Paint, you have to follow some steps. First step is to click on Paint button, which is located on the top left corner on Paint application, and look at picture number 1, the square which is the picture which is surrounded by red square. This is Paint button. Your first step is to click on this Paint button. When you click on this Paint button, now look at the picture number 2. This drop down list appears on your monitor screen. When this drop down list appears, now your second step is to click on new option. When you click on new option, your new drawing area is ready for your use. How to create a new picture in Paint. Now open page number 55. If you want to create a new picture in Paint application, follow these steps. Number 1 step is to click on Paint button. This is the Paint button. Click on this Paint button. Now second step is to click on this drop down list. When you click on this Paint button, this window appears on your monitor screen. Now click on new option. Click on it. When you click on it, this new drawing area is ready for use. These are the steps to create a new picture in Paint application. How to save a picture in Paint. If you want to save the pictures drawn in Paint application, you have to follow these steps. Step number 1 is to click on Paint button, which is located on the top left corner on Paint application. When you click on Paint button, now students, look at the picture number 2. This drop down list appears on your monitor screen. Now your second step is to select Save option. Look at the picture number 2. The Save option is highlighted by yellow color. Now you have to click on Save option. When you click on Save option, a new window called Save As dialog box appears on your monitor screen. Now look at picture number 3. This is your Save As dialog box. Now your third step is to type the file name of your choice in the file name box. Your fourth step is when you type your file name, your fourth step is to click on Save button. How to save a picture
in Paint application. Students, open your book, click start to page number 56. There are some steps to save your picture in your computer. To save your picture in your computer, you have follow some steps. First, click on the Paint button or File from the upper left corner of the Paint application. Click on this File button. When you click on this File button, this window appears on your monitor screen. Now click on Save As option. Click on Save As option. When you click on Save As option, this window appears on your monitor screen. Now you can choose the area where you want to save your picture, like desktop. Click on desktop. If you want to save your picture on desktop, click on desktop. Now come to the file name. Type your file name. You can type any file name like my picture. And the final step is to click on Save button. See, your file is now saved on your desktop screen with the name of my picture. When you click on it, your picture open on your monitor screen. Got it? How to save a picture in your computer?
How to open a saved picture in Paint. Students, if you want to open your saved picture in Paint application, you have to follow these steps. Step number 1 is click on the Paint button, which is located on the top left corner on Paint application. When you click on Paint button, a drop down list appears on your monitor screen. Look at picture number 1. This is the drop down list. Now your second step is to click on Open option. From the drop down list, your second step is to click the Open option. When you click on the Open option, the Open dialog box appears on your monitor screen. Look at picture number 2. This is a Open dialog box. Now select the file name, and you can also type your file name in File Name option. This is your third step. When you type your file name, your final or fourth step is to click on the Open button.
How to open saved picture in Paint. Open page number 57. And in this video, we are discussing about how to open saved picture in Paint. To open your saved picture, you can follow these steps. Number 1 step is to click on Paint button or File button. Step number 2 is click on Open button or Open option. When you click on Open option, this window appears on your monitor screen. Now select the area where you saved your picture. Remember, you have saved your picture on desktop, so click on desktop. This is your third step. Now your fourth step is to click on your file name from this drop down list, and you can also type your file name here, okay, like this. Remember, you have typed my picture as your file name. When you typed your file name, your fourth and final step is to click on open button. See your saved picture appear on your monitor screen.
How to close Paint application. Students, after you have completed your drawing, close the Paint application. To close the Paint application, click on Paint button. When you click on Paint button, a drop-down list appears on your monitor screen. Look at picture number 1. This is the drop-down list. When this list appears on your monitor screen, click on Exit option, which is located at the bottom left corner on the drop-down list. This is the first way to close Paint application. You can also use the close button. Now look at picture number 2. You can also use the close button, which is located on the upper right corner on the Paint application. You can also use this close button to close your Paint application.
How to close Paint. Now open page number 58. This is the last topic of Fun with Paint. To close Paint application, you have follow these simple steps. Number 1 step is to click on Paint button or File button. When you click on Paint or File button, this window appears on your monitor screen. Now your second step is to click on Exit. Okay, this is the first way to close Paint. And there is another way to close Paint. Click on Close button at the upper right corner on your monitor screen, or of upper right corner of the Paint application. Now click on this Close button to close your Paint application.
Do the typing and drawing practice for the activity number 2, which is held on 31st of March. Now open Paint application, type the following paragraph and draw this house with the help of different shapes in shape group. Hope you all understand the chapter number 5, Fun with Paint. Now, see you soon. Goodbye.